Welcome to Naturally.co, Cooking with Tara. Today we're going to make a simple fruit leather. So instead of going out and buying fruit roll-ups in the store, you can make them at home and a lot healthier. I'm going to use my dehydrator today, but you can use your oven as well. The directions are in the recipe. So I already have my strawberries in the blender. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of layer. Okay, just gonna bring out the flavors of the strawberry. You can also use any fruit. So we are nice and smooth. So all I'm gonna do is put this in my pan. So once you got all your trays laid out, this is gonna cook in your dehydrator for about 6 to 8 hours until it's no longer tacky. See you then. And welcome back. So it's been in the dehydrator for 8 hours, so we're done. I also made some blueberry ones. So I have blueberry and strawberries. Real simple if you have these molds, if they work correctly for you. You're just literally gonna take them out and peel it. Hopefully it doesn't break. And there you go. Roll it up. And there you go.